In this video, we're going to discuss setting up Keras. So Keras is a high-level application programming interface, or API, that runs on top of a low-level backend to create deep neural networks. It can utilize TensorFlow, Microsoft Cognitive Toolkit, or Theano for the backend. So Keras is written and interacted with using Python. So assuming you have a Python environment all set up and the Microsoft Cognitive Toolkit installed, we're now ready to install Keras. So what I've done here is I've opened up the Anaconda prompt. And I'm going to type in a command here. I'm going to say pip and then install and then Keras. And I'm going to execute this command. What's going to happen here is it's going to go ahead and collect the Keras, and then it's going to download those packages and then start extracting them. Now, this process can take some time. And once you actually get the Keras, we need to modify the configuration so that we can use the CNTK backend. And how we're going to do that is we're going to modify a JSON file, actually called keras.json file, and it's located within the user profile /.keras, and we're going to modify an entry. So I'm going to go ahead and open that file now. So this is the keras.json file, and I've highlighted what you need to change. So the backend you want to specify as the CNTK. And once you do that, then you're ready to start your Python environment. So we're now going to come back to the Anaconda prompt, and just going to say set Keras backend equals CNTK. And then we're going to go ahead and start Python. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and import the Keras. There we go. One moment. And it's reran. Just watch out for the capital I. This is case sensitive. I had ran it with a capital I. It's lowercase I. You may get some warnings, but those for the most part can just be ignored. So Keras works on the concept of a model. The simplest type of model is a sequence, which is a stack of layers. Now, a sequence is created with layers added in the order of the computation to be performed. And then once the model has been defined, the model is compiled. And compiling uses a framework to optimize the computation to be performed and allows for certain configurations such as the optimizer and loss functions to be specified. Then after it is compiled, the model must be fit to the data. And this is known as training the machine. And then when training is complete, the model can then be used to make predictions on new data.